Hey guys, this is KaBoom, and obviously you can see I'm in my kitchen because this is probably the best place I can show you this video, but today I found this box on my, obviously it's open, but it's, yeah, smaller than this, but anyways, I just got home today and found this box on my porch, and I was like, what's this? Actually, not my porch, my front steps, and I was thinking, what the heck is this? And guess what it was? My power supply. And, this power supply. Sorry about that. My battery died in my camera. So sorry about that. But yeah, this is the power supply I ordered from Best Buy. And the thing about this is, this was supposed to get here next week. Let me check the. Does that help at all? I guess a little bit. That's supposed to say CX series on the top there. But this is actually a Corsair CX 500 watt power supply. And ironic part about this one, I'm going to just keep it zoomed in, screw that, is that this one is the first version. Now, I know I should have probably gone with the second version power supply because it has all the other features and stuff, but I'm just making a computer, and Best Buy just had this one. I want to get the version 2, but I didn't want to deal with Amazon at the moment because Amazon doesn't accept Best Buy gift cards. But yeah, I had a Best Buy gift card left over. I got it as a gift from some family, and I wanted to use it towards my system. And since I saw that the version 2 was on sale of the Corsair CX Builder series online on Amazon, I thought, what if Best Buy has them? And Best Buy happened to have this version 1, which they took the same price as the version 2, which they're pretty much the exact same thing. Just this one doesn't work with servers, and I'm not going to be making a server setup with this power supply. So let's open her up. Okay, so let's zoom out a little so I can show you this. Bottom of the box says, let me get some lighting. Bottom of the box says, if I can get it to focus, compatibility, auto switching circuitry, supports that. Okay, that's what I needed. Wait, this is that's weird. Doesn't say version 2 on it, but it is the version 2. Well, that's weird. I guess this is, I don't know, it does say it has EPS, which is what it said it didn't have for the version 1, so this could be the version 2 model. Well, that's weird. They told me I was getting version 1. Okay, sorry about that. I guess it is version 2. Whatever they say, I don't even care. As long as it works, right? And I'm about to test that. So here's the warranty guide. Some sort of safety information. Let me look at this. This will literally be my first time dealing with one of these. That's Spanish. There's Russian. Okay. Chinese, Japanese. Yes, I do know what the different symbols mean. I'm not showing it to you, but I do know what they are. There we go. I don't know what they mean, but I know the difference. I got metal right here that I'm touching, so dispersing crap. Okay, done. So there's the output power. This one is not modular. It comes with mounting screws and zip ties, which is nice. And then here's the wiring, which is all rather nice. Here's the PCI Express with the little 8 adapter, and the other PCI Express with the little 8 adapter. And I'm going to be using both of these 6 pins for my graphics card. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it, sorry. I'm not behind the camera since this is a small camera, and it's hard to get the right zoom on it. Yeah, give me a sec. It's hard to set this up, I apologize, because the type of camera I'm using, and my camera stand's kind of busted. I'm using tape to hold one of the legs in the right length and whatnot. There's the motherboard connection thingy-majig. I didn't realize that one didn't have any wires going in. Okay, never mind. Sorry, I was thinking out loud. There is the CPU power source. SATA power, more SATA power, I'm assuming. That's Molex. Yeah, there's Molex right there. There's more SATA power and stuff. So, I'm going to use the paperclip test. Actually, no, I think I'll just... This one looks like it's in good condition, honestly. Let's take out the plastic wrap, the bubble wrap. There's the power supply itself. It looks good. Honestly, it looks great. There are the... There we go. Specifics on it. Max load. Okay. Okay, so it says maximum combined wattage is only 456. I thought it said 500 watt. Oh well, I'll get it to work somehow. Taking a little plastic cover thing off for the Corsair. It's supposed to keep it shiny. I don't need that plastic crap on it. Crap, how do I get this off? There it is. Okay. Better. So now it's more shininess. And it's squeakier. So it feels nice to the touch, like it's supposed to. I'm sorry about not showing you it. It's like one of those things I want to go, oh, it's so shiny, and hold it myself. But yeah, I'm going to test it in a little bit to see if it works. And yeah, I don't want it to be DOA. Like the last person who bought a power supply from Best Buy got a DOA, which was kind of depressing to hear. So we're going to find out in a little bit if it's DOA or not. So see you guys in... yeah, I'm done with the video. I'm not going to show you if it's DOA or not. I'll tell you if it is, but yeah. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.